Welcome to our roundup of the best measuring tapes, essential tools designed to provide accurate and reliable measurements for home projects, construction work, tailoring, and everyday use. Whether you're measuring furniture, working on renovations, or handling professional tasks, a good measuring tape makes your job faster and more precise. Modern measuring tapes come with durable blades, clear markings, strong locking mechanisms, and compact designs for easy handling. Many also feature extended reach, reinforced hooks, and ergonomic grips that improve usability. Choosing the right measuring tape can save time, reduce errors, and improve overall efficiency. Let's take a closer look at some of the best measuring tapes available right now. Starting with the Rox Ruly measuring tape, this model is a practical option for everyday measuring tasks with a compact and easy-to-use design. It typically features clear and easy-to-read markings that help improve accuracy during measurements. The tape often includes a durable blade that resists bending and maintains stability when extended for longer reach. Its lightweight build makes it convenient to carry in your pocket or toolkit for quick access anytime. Many versions also include a locking mechanism that holds the tape securely in place while measuring. Users appreciate its simplicity and reliability for home use. Additionally, it delivers consistent measurement accuracy and smooth retraction during use. It also improves efficiency by allowing quick measurements, better control, and stable handling across various small, medium, and light-duty measuring tasks, with improved usability and daily convenience overall. Next up is the Rango Tools measuring tape, a solid choice for users who want durability and dependable performance. This measuring tape typically features a strong blade with reinforced coating that helps protect against wear and tear over time. It often includes bold markings that are easy to read even in low-light conditions or busy work environments. The sturdy casing provides added protection against drops and impacts during daily use. Many models also include a comfortable grip design that improves handling and control during extended use. Users often appreciate its durability and steady performance. Additionally, it ensures reliable measurement results and long-lasting usability for regular tasks. It also enhances user confidence by maintaining consistent accuracy, better grip comfort, and reliable performance during repeated and extended measuring work sessions in different conditions and working environments consistently. Moving on to the Klein Tools measuring tape, this model is known for its professional-grade quality and reliable performance. It typically features a high-visibility blade with clear markings that improve readability and precision for accurate measurements. The tape often includes a strong magnetic hook, making it easier to measure metal surfaces or work hands-free in certain situations. Its durable housing is designed to withstand tough job site conditions and rough handling. Many users appreciate its smooth extension and controlled retraction system. It is a great option for professionals who require consistent and accurate measurements. Additionally, it delivers excellent durability and dependable performance across demanding tasks. It also provides enhanced usability with strong build quality, reliable grip, and consistent performance in both indoor and outdoor work environments for long-term professional and heavy-duty usage needs. Stepping up in versatility, the Mr. Pen measuring tape offers a balanced combination of affordability, convenience, and functionality. This model is often designed with both metric and imperial markings, making it suitable for different types of users and applications. It typically features a compact and lightweight design that makes it easy to carry and store anywhere. The tape includes a simple locking mechanism that helps keep measurements steady during use. Many users find it especially useful for tailoring, home improvement, and basic measuring needs. Additionally, it provides smooth operation and clear readability for everyday use. It also improves convenience by offering dual measurement systems, reliable performance, and easy handling across a wide range of common measuring tasks and quick daily uses without adding complexity or extra effort for beginners. Taking the top spot is the Molewark measuring tape, a reliable and durable option designed for both everyday and professional use. This measuring tape typically features a strong and flexible blade that maintains accuracy even during extended measurements and repeated usage. It often includes a heavy-duty casing that protects the internal mechanism from damage and impacts. The clear markings and smooth retraction system make it easy to use in different situations. Many models also include a secure locking system that ensures precise measurements every time. Users appreciate its solid build quality and long-term reliability. Additionally, it delivers consistent accuracy and smooth handling for various measuring tasks. It also stands out for its durability, ease of use, strong grip design, and dependable performance in both light-duty and heavy-duty applications, making it suitable for long-term consistent measuring performance. All of these measuring tapes serve different needs depending on durability, accuracy, and ease of use. The ROX Ruli measuring tape offers simple and reliable everyday performance. The Rango Tools model provides strong durability and consistent results. The Klein Tools measuring tape delivers professional-grade quality and precision. The M-Pen measuring tape balances affordability with versatility, and the Mulwark measuring tape stands out as the most durable and dependable option overall. That wraps up our list of the best measuring tapes, from compact everyday tools to durable options built for professional use. If you're working on home projects, construction tasks, or simple measurements, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which measuring tape you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and make your next measuring task easier and more accurate with the right tool.